Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome friends. This is an educational video and it should not be considered as an alternative to treatment, nor this video intends to promote anyone to self-medicate. If you are suffering with COVID-19, you should consult a certified healthcare provider. Besides, herbal treatment also requires certification and experience. Now, before starting the review, I want my viewers to understand the actual meaning of infection and inflammation. Firstly, infection. Infection is the entry, development, and multiplication of a disease causing organism in the body, whereas inflammation is body's response to injury that serves as a mechanism initiating the elimination of harmful agents. In response to injury or infection, body's defensive cells get activated and release certain chemicals that help fight the damage. Sometimes this response becomes hyperactivated, which is called as hyperimmune response or cytokine storm. This causes the defensive mechanism of the body to destroy its own cells. The severity of COVID 19 and its fatality is dependent on cytokine storm. Now, to reduce the self damage of the body, steroids are conventionally used to suppress the hyperinflammatory response. However, steroids can suppress immune system and increase the viral load and also increase the risk of secondary infections. Now we shall discuss the candidates for herbal treatment and review the research done about them. Our first and foremost candidate has to be Nigella sativa, which has anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antipyretic, anticoagulative properties. A lot of studies has been done to prove these properties. It has activity against cytomegalovirus, avian influenza, PPR virus, broad bean mosaic virus, HIV, and hepatitis C virus, yellow mosaic virus. A study titled Honey and Nigella sativa trial against COVID 19 is a phase 3 randomized, prospective, placebo controlled, triple blinded trial done on 313 participants. The participants were divided into two groups. The first group received Nigella sativa, that is Kalonji, 8 mg per kg per day, and honey 1 gram per kg per day, along with standard medical care, while the second group received empty capsules with 200 ml distilled water along with standard supportive care. Of these 313 participants, 210 were moderate and 103 were severely affected with COVID 19. Honey and Nigella sativa resulted in 50% reduction in time taken to alleviate symptoms as compared to the placebo. Honey and Nigella sativa also cleared the virus 4 days earlier than the placebo group in moderate and severe cases. Honey and Nigella sativa further led to a better clinical score on day 6 with normal activity resumption. In severe cases, mortality was reduced, was fourfold lowered in honey and Nigella sativa than placebo group. No honey and Nigella sativa related adverse events were observed. Honey and Nigella sativa improved symptoms, viral clearance, and decreased the mortality. The study provides great insights, but it will be more interesting if this is done on a larger number of participants. Also, the advantage with Nigella sativa usage is that Nigella sativa has anti-inflammatory properties, which will help alleviate cytokine storm. And apart from this, Nigella sativa has anticoagulation effects, which will help in reducing coagulopathy associated complications. So that's all we have for you. Until next time with another drug review, goodbye and take care.